Hello everyone. Today we are cooking up something super tasty. Rajma Masala curry. It's a cozy dish that goes perfectly with rice. You have got a pressure cooker or an instant pot. Let's get started. Grab 1 cup of rajma, that's around 250 grams. If you have got time, soak them overnight. If not, just rinse them in water. Now into the pressure cooker, they go with 2 cups of water. Make sure it's about 3 inches above the beans. Cook for 8 whistles or until they are nice and soft. Give them a squish between your fingers to check it. Once the beans are tender, drain the water but don't toss it. We'll use it later. In a pan, add 1 spoon of ghee or oil. Toss in some spices 2-inch cinnamon, 3 cardamom, 4 clove, 1 teaspoon cumin. Let them sizzle for 30 seconds. Now in goes a big chopped onion. Saute until it's a bit yellow. Then add 3 green chili splits and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Keep stirring until it smells awesome. Now the time for the saucy part. Add 2 ripe tomatoes, pured. Cook until they are mushy. Sprinkle in some salt and give a nice stir. Now add the spice powders. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 spoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon chili powder or adjust as per your taste. Mix it up and let the flavors party for a minute. Now add those cooked rajma and saute for 2 minutes. Instant pot version. Sort the things initially, keep it in salt mode for 10 minutes up to pouring the kidney beans. Then convert it to high pressure mode. Then cook in the mode at least for 30 minutes. Pour in the saved water, close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Check if the beans mashy easily. That's when it is done. This time you can taste the rajma and if the spice is low for your taste buds, add some more spice powders. One simple trick to get a thicker gravy is to mash some of the cooked rajma with a ladle in the same pot. Wait for the oil to separate on top of the curry and then add 1 spoon dried methi leaves. Crush them, mix well and add chopped coriander leaves if you like. Then turn off the heat, drop 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter on top of it. And then you are ready to serve it with the steamed rice. Then it becomes Rajma Chawal. Here we have it. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this recipe. Try the recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.